Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, Stand Capital. If you're a first time viewer, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get notified of my upcoming videos, right? Because I drop crazy content every time. Um, so here's under content of value. So I got a question asked about key levels from a subscriber. It was like, how would he know what key level would hold? Now, in retrospect, right? You don't really know what key levels would hold. That is the truth. But how would you know which one you're going to play from? Now, if you don't have patience in this market, right? If you don't have patience in this market, you're not going to go far, right? Patience is very, very key. So my answer was number one. Um, you have to you'd have to wait for what higher time frame mitigation and rejection, then lower time frame break of structure. So let's say you have a daily time frame key level right here. Let's say this is your higher time frame key level, right? Something like this. And normally you're expecting market to do what? To come into that level and sell. That's your plan. But you don't know if the market is going to sell from there. What do? I'll basically wait for a rejection. I'll basically wait for a rejection candle, a rejection on that same time frame. And then I want to see what's on the lower time frame, markets to do or to break structure. And then I can now finally enter and sell up. If you trade this model alone, you're gonna make a lot of money. Trust me, you're gonna make a lot of money. So let's dive in. So he showed me a couple of examples. The first one was USGPY. I was wondering, there's something I was wondering, right? So I will come out to USGPY, but first let's look at Euro USD, just using the same thing, right? Just using the same thing. Let's look at Euro USD. Okay. Let me just take it back a little bit. Take it back a little bit. So if you look closely here, guys, if you look closely here, go to the line chart. Also, I'm going to see the line chart. I'm going to see this. All right, this is the line chart. This is a key level. Now, how would you know if this key level is going to hold and you're going to buy from there? And this is daily time frame, right? Now, I don't know, right? I don't know. Now, obviously, there's inducement. Obviously, there's inducement right there. So I basically want the market to do to trade into this level first, and I see rejection. That's all I do. So let's wait. So market has gone there, giving us a rejection. So straight up, I go to the 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, all I want to see, I want to see structure broken on the line chart. The same thing I just showed you right now. The same thing. Now, if you go to line chart, what I'm going to see on the line chart? I'm going to see what market making what lower lows, lower highs, right? This is all I'm seeing on the line chart. So I want to see what market shift to the upside. That's all I want to see. So let's play it forward. Now can you see that market has what? Broken structure to the upside. So what do? I just mark out my key level, right? This one right here. It's as simple as that. And this is where I want to buy from. Now, mind you, I've marked out my daily time frame key level right here. Right, I've marked out this level right here. Now all I did was go to the 4-hour time frame. All I did was go to the 4-hour time frame, right? I went to the 4-hour time frame to do what? To wait for what market to shift to the upside. That's all I did. And then I want to buy from this level. So all I need to do is what? Place a buy limit, right? I can target 5 hour, 4 hour. It just depends on your preference, right? Something like this, and they can also target 4 or 5 hour, something like this. Let's play it forward. Let's play it forward, right? So this is your inducement. Just now, market did not trigger on the first move. Market did not trigger on the first move. So now that's triggered right now, right? 1 hour in profit, right? 1 hour in profit, right? And that is almost TP, right? Targeting this eye right here. It is as simple as this, guys. It is as simple as this. It is as simple as this, right? So there are a couple of examples I can show you, but I don't want to waste time with this video. Let's look at USGPY. Let's look at USGPY right now. Now this is USGPY, right? Now he follows my teaching on YouTube. I basically give out my trading system out for free because it's very simple and I want you guys to make a lot of money, right? So basically, I pointed out this, right? I pointed out this key level right here, right? Just basically the same thing. So like I told you, I want to see what a rejection force. Now can you see this rejection right here? This is a good rejection, right? So you go to the daily time frame. That's basically what I told you. The same thing I told you guys, right? Now what you want to do daily time frame is what? Market was making what? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, right? Lower lows, low, and then we made the higher high right here. Can you see? We made the higher high right here. Market went higher right there to confirm that we're now bullish, right? We're not bullish. So, and I told you, where do you want to buy? Where do you want to look for buys from? I want to look for buys from here. Now you can also buy it directly. Now this is your inducement. This is your inducement. Now you could buy directly, but I don't buy directly on the daily time frame. I don't buy directly on the item. I do not do that. I do what? I'll wait for what market to come into this level and give me a rejection on that from that level. I want to see what the market does at that level first. So if market goes to this level, I cannot go to the 4 hour time frame. This is a free stop. I cannot go to the 4 hour time frame, right? As market is making what? Very simple stuff. Very simple stuff. Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, right? Lower lows, lower high. Then market can come here, make something like this, and then mitigate and then breaks to the upside. And then want to buy from here. It's as simple as this. It is as simple as this. So all you have to do is what? Wait. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. You don't need to force it. You do not need to force it. So peace, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a like, subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment. Now, if you want to join my free signal group, where I drop my free signals, I drop crazy trading tips, what to do during the week, etc. The link to that community, to that free community, will be posted in the description of the video. Just go to the description of the video, check the link, right? If you want to message me directly, right? If you have business deals or anything, you can use the link and reach out to me. Make sure you join the community, guys. Peace.